Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. It is I, SL Rockfish, your happy hostess, and today we're going to take a look at 3 of the most often requested words for grammar in English. What are they? You may know them, but first, let me tell you that this is the English Makes No Sense channel, and if you're new, this is a channel where we have fun with the English language, do a little reading, do a little writing, work on phrasal verbs and idioms and then pronunciation. So check it out down there, okay? Now, let's begin. The 3 most often requested words are there, there, and there. Huh? You said there twice. No, I said it thrice. There, T-H-E-R-E, there, T-H-E-I-R, and there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. Now, if you need to take notes, this would be a good time. Just write a note. T-H-E-R-E, there is location. Look, over there. Yeah, over there. Got it. Then T-H-E-I-R, there is possession. Like they own it. It's owned by them, so it's their car. Their car is new. Oh, okay. Then T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E is a contraction. You know, a contraction where we take 2 words and bring them together. In this case, we take they are, get rid of the A, put in an apostrophe, and we get there. Like they are, we make smaller by saying there. They're very happy. They are very happy. Why can't we just say they're very happy or they are happy? I don't know. We like the contractions. So let's review. T-H-E-R-E, their location. Look over there. T-H-E-I-R, their possession. Their house, their car, their dog, their friend. Oh, their car is new. I love a new car. T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, their contraction. Remember, contraction is making 2 words into one. So we drop the A from they are and we just make it T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. They're very happy. Why does English have 3 words that sound exactly the same, have totally different meanings, and totally different spellings? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. Maybe we'll do it twice, or take a screenshot or write your notes. Their new car is over there. They're very happy they bought it. Let's do it quickly now. Their new car is over there. They're very happy they bought it. What? Come on, English. Peace, friends. Let me know what you have trouble with. Leave it in the comments.